Hey Farber family, happy Wednesday. It is April Fool's Day. I was going to pull an April Fool's joke on everybody and assign a 10-page paper, but I thought I would create a lot of panic and stress, and I know this time is really difficult for everybody. So I'm gonna try to April Fool with my husband or something. So two things I wanna talk to you about today. First thing I wanna talk to you about is Khan assignments. Some parents and some students I have been emailing or reminding and saying that it's not showing up that you are watching the videos. And I contacted somebody from the Khan Academy and I told them that we were having some issues with some students, it not showing up as a check-marked box on my teacher account and the students saying that they did watch it. They told me that if you are in the middle of a video, so for example, if I am watching this video from Khan and I'm playing it,
There's probably a few ways we could take this on, but
and
maybe
I
let's
want
start by
to
thinking
fast
about
forward
these
it
five
because I
now.
already know what I'm doing, if I do any
1000.
fast forwarding whatsoever, it is not going to mark that you completed the video. So you need to make sure that you are watching the whole entire video from start to finish. Now, when this becomes new information to you and you're unsure of how to do something, can you pause it? Yes. Can you rewatch it? Yes. That is the whole point of these videos, is that way so you can go back and rewatch. But in order for me to see the green checkmark box, they said you cannot mess at all with the buttons and fast forward even if you know what you're doing. Then that makes it not show up as counted on my teacher account. So you need to make sure that you're watching the full video in its entirety. Okay, that's announcement number one. Announcement number two, I have assigned for today an electricity website. It is on a really fun website, and I'm going to take you through it right now. So I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to click on Wednesday, April 1st, the electricity activity. It is going to take you right there to the Blobs website. You are going to click enter. Once you have entered the Blobs website here, it's going to ask how many people are taking part. You're going to put 1 and then you type in your name. Okay? Now, it's going to take you through all 5 sections. So down here, there are 5 sections to this website. You are going to complete all 5, and the goal is to light up all 5 of these stars. Once you've lit up all 5 of these stars, I want you to screenshot your 5 stars that are lit up, and then you can turn that in, and that shows me that you are completed. So once I am ready to start section 1, I'm going to click section 1. I have all of this stuff to read. I'll click next, I'm reading more, click next, I'm reading more, click next, I'm reading more. Notice I can now go back, but that's everything that they want me to read about in section 1. Then down here, I'm going to go to the activity, and I can drag circuits that are going to work and are not going to work, okay? And they'll tell you if it's right or wrong. So if I think this will not work, I'll put that there. And then I will go through the activity. Then when I'm ready to take the quiz, this is how you light up your stars. So I'm going to click quiz. And typically there's like 4 or 5 questions for the quiz. So I would answer these questions. I would try to light up my star. If you don't light up your star, guess what? You start over again, and that means you must not have read as carefully as you should have, okay? And then you retake the quiz until you light up the star. You have to light up all 5 stars for this activity, all right? So that is your science for today. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. We're going to look forward to doing a Zoom with you probably tomorrow. And I will try to post maybe a Flipgrid again for today. We're meeting a lot with teachers right now to kind of figure out how we're going to do this extended closure through May 1st now. And we'll get that information out to you as soon as we know how we're going to do it. Okay, hope you guys are doing well. Always feel free to question and answer me in Google Classroom or email me. You know how to get a hold of me. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Have a good day.